Difference between public company and private company. Basis of difference, public company, private company. Basis of difference, minimum number of members. Public company, minimum number of members required to form a public company is 7. Private company, minimum number of members required to form a public company is 2. Private company में कितना है 2. Basis of difference, maximum number of members. Public company, no limit of maximum number of members. Private company, maximum numbers of members is 50. Maximum 50 होना चाहिए, इसमें कोई लिमिट नहीं. Basis of difference name. The word limited LTD is used at the end of the company's name. The word private limited is used at the end of the company's name. For commencement of business, public company can start its business only after getting a certificate of commencement of business. Private company can commence its business as soon as it obtains certificate of incorporation. तो इसको चाहिए सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस पब्लिक में और प्राइवेट में सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ इनकॉर्पोरेशन. बेसिस ऑफ डिफरेंस, invitation to public company invites public to subscribe to his shares. Private cannot invite public to subscribe to his shares. Transfer of shares. In public company there is no restrictions on transfer of its shares. In private company there is restriction on the transfer of its shares. Now this is your public and this is your private. Basis of difference 7. Number of directors. In public company it must have at least 3 directors. In private company it must have at least 2 directors. Minimum capital. In public limited it must have a minimum paid up capital of 5 lakh rupees. In private it must have a minimum paid up capital of 1 lakh rupees.